Hello friends, in front of me Mr. Nayanji is sitting. He secured 81% marks in his exam in SFM, and not only that, he is now an active stock market expert. He used to trade, and definitely he is using all his class concept practically. This is the most important thing. Many companies, many corporate wants to hire such candidate who are practically very strong, conceptually very strong. Nayanji is one of them. He took my classes from RVG Hostel Mumbai, and from the day he joined my classes, his life completely changed, and now he is fully in finance sector. We want to ask Nayan two things. First, how he managed to score such a good marks in SFM, and number second, how he is planning to make his career in finance. Please go ahead. World want to know your success story. Definitely you can motivate so many students, your juniors, so that they can also be motivated and follow your path.
Mm. First of all, I would like to thank sir for giving me such an opportunity and teaching me finance. I would like to start the first question as sir asked me that how I scored 81 marks in my SFM. What happens generally when we are doing chartered accountancy course? There are so much diverse of materials. We got confused that which books to read, from where to read, from which topic to read. So there are vast of topics and very very big area of material to cover. But in Aditya Jain sir classes, the sir covers all the material in one book, and last day he prepares us concept copy. So the concept copy is around 100 pages. So last day we can read around 100 pages and we can go for exam which covers 100%. So any question you can answer directly from the concept copy if you have concepts. And best part is that theoretical concept is written in our concept copy, and in every class sir teach us the practical aspect of the theoretical concept taught. For example, if sir is teaching derivatives, till 9 o'clock he will teach the derivative concept all put. After 9 to 9:30 he will trade practically. So our theoretical concepts become practical and we can get a conceptual clarity. Same in case of forex, same in case of interest rate derivatives, same in case of currency. So the financial SFM classes help me to build my concepts theoretically as well as practically, and it is very easy to score an exemption in SFM. I scored 81 marks only due to sir's classes.
So, your Mamaji is also a stock market expert. Please tell me something about him.
Yeah. So what happened when we got sir's book? In the front page, he has written many names of Sir Rakesh Ji Junjunwala, Motilal Ji Oswal, Anil Ji Singhvi. When I saw my mama's name, so my mama is Anil Ji Singhvi. He is currently Z Business Managing Editor. So he is also a stock market expert. Sir used to tell him that how he give the opinions regarding Nifty, Bank Nifty, and that all how he tracks the data. So sir's inspiration was he, and my inspiration is sir. So both of them helped me to build my career in finance. So
So,
both are the
what a
both are
great.
the live examples in front of me. Yeah,
Our inspiration is Anil Singhvi, and we really admire
yeah,
him because he is doing really very good. He is a very
yeah,
good in research, in equity research. So we are being inspired by
yeah.
Anil Singhvi, and you are being inspired by me, and many students will be inspired by you. So this is the definitely knowledge is power, and the more you will spread knowledge, the more you will gain it. Is the real example how we are doing all these things practically. So it's really a nice feeling. And Nanji, in future you will definitely do good, and definitely you will also inspire a lot of young people. Many students are watching this and definitely will love to hear your more success story in future. Thank you so much, Nayan, for coming and giving your valuable time. Wish you all the best in future. Whenever you achieve anything in life, please do let me know, because my only motivation will be that yes, Nayan ji is doing all the class conceptual knowledge practically. This is the best example I can give to all my students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nayan.